Ang likod ng upuan na itinulak ninyo ay ang inyong stage. Okay? Diskarte nyo na to. Kailangan yung stage ninyo, spacious. Okay? Pero hindi nyo pwede patong-patungin ang upuan. Enough na lang nakalinya siya ng isang linya. Mamaya na natin problemahin. Assign someone to sit on your chair.
Oh, good. Dali na.
You have to have a pen. Okay. Right. On that paper, okay, bago magsimula, that paper, your group number, your section, your group mates, full names of only those who are present today. And after that, in 2 columns, numbers 1 to 13. A 53. Puro sa tawa. Okay? After that, mag-iwan ng paperweight sa desk at pwede na kayong bumalik sa grupo ninyo. Ikaw bahala. Can you help me out here? 14 divided by 13. So 3 later 1. Back to high school. Thank you.